Eufy launches dual-camera intelligent video doorbell. Eufy Security announced its video doorbell Dual, a smart doorbell that uses two cameras, today at CES 2022. The unique design of this doorbell aids security, recognition, and adds clarity to your home's first line of defense. The video doorbell Dual is equipped with two vertical cameras, one 2K resolution camera with a 160-degree field of view, and one 1080p resolution camera with a 120-degree field of view. The top camera is upward-facing and primarily captures the visitor's face and body. The bottom camera looks downward to keep an eye on packages and other items left in front of your door. This camera combination provides a more complete picture of what is happening outside your door. The Dual uses radar technology alongside passive infrared technology to more accurately detect humans and reduce false alarms from the doorbell. Using radar helps increase the doorbell's efficiency by 95% over doorbells that only use PIR technology. Eufy's video doorbell Dual also has on-device AI to distinguish family and friends from strangers, as well as to detect packages. The AI detection helps the Eufy security app send unique notifications to inform you who or what is at the door. The Dual is battery-powered, but is rechargeable and lasts up to 6 months on a single charge. It also interacts with voice commands and smart home integration via Amazon and Google. You can connect the video doorbell Dual to Eufy's existing Homebase 2 local storage station. The Homebase 2 provides 16 gigabytes of local storage and up to 90 days of encrypted video. In addition, the Homebase allows you to record video from your door without having to pay a monthly cost. Eufy Security expects to launch its video doorbell Dual on February 8 in the US and later February dates worldwide. The Dual will cost $260.